You know how Arvind Kejriwal, P. Chidambaram, Sanjay Nirupam and others have been going on and on about how the government needs to share the video of the surgical strikes conducted by the Indian Army? I've got two words for them. ABP News. ABP brought us an exclusive, a minute-by-minute report on the surgical strikes.
निशाने पर 7 लॉन्चिंग पैड, जहां से आतंकी घुसपैठ की फिराक में। एलओसी पर पहले से ही मौजूद डोगरा और बिहार रेजिमेंट के घातक कमांडो। जैसे ही स्पेशल फोर्सेस के कमांडो एलओसी पर पहुंचे, डोगरा और बिहार रेजिमेंट ने मोर्टर से सीमा पर गोले दागने शुरू कर दिए।
Exciting! Can't wait! What do we see? Dibang in a suit and red tie standing on the grass at the LOC. We in the business know he's in his studio with a chroma background, but the average viewer is led to believe he's out there with the troops, suited and booted.
ऑपरेशन के हर मिनट का ब्यौरा, जनमन exclusive.
Operation का हर मिनट के द्वारा जनमन exclusive, Dibang says. Of course it's exclusive. Only ABP would think of doing what they did. Using clips from the Bollywood film Lakshya, ABP News showed us what did not happen. Bombs going off, Amitabh Bachchan giving the order to troops for action.
Alpha Company, this is Tiger.
Alpha Company here. Coming Tiger.
All teams, hull पक चुका है.
And then horrifically, Indian soldiers being gunned down and falling dead.
रेजिमेंट की मोटा फायरिंग में ही बर्बाद हो गई। सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक के बाद स्पेशल फोर्सेस कमांडोज ने अपने वरिष्ठ सैन्य अधिकारियों को बताया।
At no point are you informed all these clips are from Lakshya, which incidentally was directed by Farhan Akhtar and starred Hrithik Roshan, who helpfully showed up later in this report, waving his gun and hollering incoherently. Everything from the film is presented as if this was the action that took place in reality along the LOC. And ABP was there with the troops filming it. Right. ABP also showed training clips. At this point, the voiceover says, Gupt andhera tha. The clip shows broad daylight.
इसीलिए कमांडोज हेलीकॉप्टर से अपनी सीमा में उतरे। यही नहीं, इसके लिए खास अमावस्या से पहले की रात चुनी गई, जब आसमान में चांद नहीं था, गुप्त अंधेरा था।
5 minutes into an 8.5-minute story, they put a teeny-weeny simulated action text on top of the screen for 3 seconds. That's how paid news writes advertorial in tiny print to fool you into reading it as news. Is journalism there to inform or fool people? This could not be more irresponsible. If this story is circulated as India's evidence of the strategic strikes, it couldn't be more detrimental to the Indian position. Bollywood film clips as evidence? ABP, function with some common sense. This is not only lousy, pathetic journalism, it's downright anti-national. Do a surgical strike on this story. Remove it from the internet. Now!